Kids love anything sweet, and these mango cashew creams are little pots of goodness that are easy and quick to whip up when you know how. Cashew nuts are rich in vitamin B6 and magnesium, which are two important nutrients needed to create the neurotransmitters that make us happy and relaxed. First, take 125 grams of raw cashew nuts and soak them in a bowl of water with a pinch of salt for at least a couple of hours, and this can be overnight. This makes them soft enough to blend easily. Here are some I did before, and now I'll drain them. If you haven't dealt with a mango before, here's how I do it. Blitz the first mango in a blender for 45 seconds and pop this puree into a bowl. Then put the cashews and the second mango into the same blender and blitz these together to make a lovely smooth and creamy puree. Pour the cashew blend into little ramekins and top with the pure mango puree and then a few flax seeds to boost up the omega-3. These can be stored in the fridge for 3 or 4 days, and they're great to have on hand for hungry fridge raiders of all ages.